Hello, thank you for previewing my listing. If you would like to schedule an appointment to see this home, please contact me and I will be happy to arrange this for you. A rare single-story 5-bedroom home located near desirable Batista Creek Elementary School in Bill Gray Park. Situated near Ramona Expressway in East Hemet, with low taxes and no HOA. Attractive curb appeal is one of the first things you will appreciate about this home. The open floor plan is highlighted with neutral wood laminate flooring and new baseboards throughout the living and family rooms. The pony wall separating the living room and family room provides an attractive space for you to display your treasures, defining the spaces while maintaining an open and airy feel. In addition to space for formal dining in the living room, the kitchen offers a cozy breakfast nook and breakfast bar for quick snacks. The kitchen has tile counters and elements of brushed aluminum and granite that are repeated in the backsplash and floors and provide a cohesive look. Some bedrooms provide J-boxes to expedite.